Hey everyone, Joel Tremblay here. I apologize for the wind. It's pretty windy out here today, but I have an exciting walk around video to do today. And so I am introducing the Hobo Hilton. So let's do a walk around of this neat little trailer. So my father-in-law actually picked this up. He didn't build it, but someone else has, and it is a very interesting little project. Now just looking at it from the outside, it looks like it's a 60s or maybe early 70s trailer that's been completely overhauled. And so this is an 8x16 trailer. Obviously it used to be a camping trailer, but now it has been converted to be off-grid ice hut / hunt camp. There's an exquisite paint job and labeling here. Hobo Hilton is what it's called. All lights work. See, there's a wood stove inside, and so that's coming out the back end there. There's the tongue here, what used to be the rack for the propane. Up front we got a nice big window with some vents, 2 windows on the side here with the door, and on the back side we have another window and then the stack for the fireplace. And then there is the 120 volt shore power hookup. There's no 12 volt on this, so I guess it's truly not off-grid, but you know, where there's a will, there's a way. You can definitely add that to this project. It is a single axle trailer. The size of it, I believe, is an 8x16, and the inside is about 6 feet tall. So that's the outside. Let's move on into the inside. So, as you can see, the inside's been completely overhauled with pine tongue and groove, ceilings and walls. He's installed some LED puck lights in here. We should make it nice and cozy. Entertainment center, storage with a little countertop here. And then on this side here, there's a fireplace, which is probably way too big for this space. So we're actually looking into alternate heat sources, possibly a diesel heater or a propane heater, but it's there. This is an awesome fireplace. It is, like I said, way too big for this. It really has no problem heating up the space. And there's a nice flat cooktop here, so you can use it to actually cook on. And then on this space here, we have again some more storage with counter space. And in the front here, we have a futon that folds down to be a bed. It's really comfortable, did a really good job. And then you get some storage back behind here, the backrest. And then there's a shelf back here for some more storage. And you get windows on all 3 sides. The exciting part with this project is that on the floor, there's hatches for ice fishing. So very similar to the truck box. This is really neat. Really exciting. So this trailer doubles as an ice shack in the winter and also a camper or a hunt cabin in the summer and fall. So behind here we have, I guess, what probably used to be the washroom. And again, I think we're gonna do a composting unit in here. But as you can see, it's nice and roomy and plenty of storage for whatever you may need to put in here. So the walls have been completely rebuilt. Insulated floors, walls, and ceiling. Really nice spacing here. Yeah, and again, whoever put this together did an incredible job. So yeah, that's the Hobo Hilton. Kind of a little off-grid mobile little cabin. Interesting project that my father-in-law picked up. Simplicity is best, and he'll be comfortable in here. This is awesome. That's kind of the walk around of this cool little project. Again, we didn't build it and found really interesting, so I figured I should do a walk around of it and give a little tour, because whoever put this together did a really good job. I like the fact that it's multifunctional. You know, it doubles as a camper, but also an ice shack. You can use it for hunting, and it's really easy to set this up to be off-grid with some 12 volt deep cycle battery. And you also have the option to have a washroom, which is always something to consider when you're doing off-grid camping and boondocking and all that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer everything. We'll definitely be using it, and I'll be showing videos of us camping in it and possibly ice fishing with it. So yeah, thanks guys, stay tuned.